What's up guys, Josh here, Tech, and OPPO announced the Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro smartphones last June. Now that it's set to launch in the Philippines this August, let's do a quick tour and first impressions of the Reno 4. Alright, looking at the front, the display has a dual punch hole on the upper left side of the screen, housing a 32 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The bezels are pretty slim with a slightly thicker chin area, and based on the specs in China, it's got a 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display at 409 pixels per inch. On the left are the volume buttons and SIM card slot, while on the right is the power button. They're clicky, solid, and easy to reach since they're placed near the frame center. At the bottom, we have your loudspeaker, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the 3.5mm audio port, which is good news especially for those who prefer wired headphones like me. Focusing on its back, we get quad rear cameras, which kinda resembles the iPhone 11's placement, but in a vertical form. It's composed of a 48 megapixel high definition main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, a 2 megapixel mono portrait lens, and a fourth lens which we believe is for macro. This is weird as the model announced in China last June only mentions 3 rear cameras. We've always admired the form factor of OPPO's Reno series, and just like the previous Reno devices, it's still premium looking thanks to its metal frame and back that looks like frosted glass, and it's also designed by the brand new Reno Glow. By the way, the unit that we have is called Galactic Blue, and I guess you won't really need a case to avoid fingerprint smudges on this one. Okay, moving on, OPPO is well known for producing good smartphone cameras, so now here are some sample shots that we took from the OPPO Reno 4. Let's check it out. OPPO added many features that we wish we can discuss right now, but let's be patient and wait for our full review really soon. For cameras, we have Ultra Steady mode, which OPPO made available in their previous flagship smartphones. There's AI Color Portrait, wherein by just one tap, your background will turn into black and white, which is fun to use. And OPPO also added a new 960 FPS slow motion speed feature, so of course we're gonna give that a try as well. I'm honestly surprised by this device. I mean, its fashionable and trendy design is definitely an eye pleaser. We may even go as far as saying that it looks similar to the upcoming OnePlus Nord, which we'll look at once we get our hands on one. So my first impression for this device? Well, it's good so far from its display and cameras. I can't wait for us to take this for a full review, and I'm sure you guys can't wait for that either. Official specs of the Reno 4 for the Philippines are yet to be announced, so stay tuned for the official announcement on August. And that's it for now. What can you say about the OPPO Reno 4? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and as always, stay safe.